We are here in downtown Nashville. We're doing almost 4,000 square feet of green wall. One of our largest green wall installations in the States. We see that this is a new wave of construction. The data is telling us that we have to move towards a more sustainable world. That means that we have to have a relationship with nature and the natural world. We have to, in a way, revisit the way we construct. Something that was otherwise a voided space, it was concrete, now is used as an instrument to invite nature in and biodiversity. And it brings it together in a collage that is happening right behind us. A great accomplishment, and we feel beyond blessed to be able to do this work here.